welcome to the channel. We're going to show you some gluten-free and dairy-free recipes we've learned over the years to make some of your favorites at home a whole lot healthier and still packing a lot of flavor. If you're ready, let's get started. In this video, we're going to show you our Fajita Style Chicken Tacos. We'll start with our red pepper since that takes the longest. A little trick that I learned is if you cut the top and split it down the sides, it makes it easier to break apart and clean it out. I'll cut that into thin strips. After we get our pepper trimmed up, you'll want to preheat your grill as well as your cast iron skillet. If you don't have a grill, there is also the option to use your air fryer. We'll start by prepping our chicken. I use a Jacquard meat tenderizer to tenderize the chicken before we grill it. I'll season our chicken with our Adobe Seasoning, garlic salt, and then some pepper. Saute some garlic and crushed red pepper in our pan, and then we'll add our red peppers and turn them down to simmer. When the chicken is cooked, we'll trim off the gristly part and save that for Hank. I like to dice our chicken up fairly fine. We'll add our hot sauce, our seasoning packet, a little bit more garlic salt. After our chicken is diced up, we'll add it to our simmering peppers. We'll add a little bit of water as well, just so everything stays moist. Toast our taco shells on our cast iron skillet. Flip those every minute. Now let's not forget about Hank's trimmings. I dice those up very fine and add those to his dry dog food that I've added some water to. And you're going to want to cut up your lime and slice up your avocado. I'll salt and pepper and add some lime to the avocado. Now that everything is prepped and everyone is salivating, let's serve it up. We'll use our toasted shells, our chicken fajita mix, we'll add our avocado and our lime, add some hot sauce, and then we also usually use cilantro but did not include it in this video. Thanks for watching. And if you have any suggestions or anything that you use to make it your own, please put those in the comments. Otherwise, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, keep focused on eating clean.